So we're having a daddy-daughter lunch at the Magic Key Terrace. Abby's doing a little sketching.
I'm done.
You're done? Show what you sketched.
Here's this. It's not that good.
Oh, that looks good. You're getting better, yeah.
I like it.
Cool. And we have our menu here. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What are we gonna have? Cocktails. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is what I think I will get because it has Captain Morgan in it, and that's my friend Brad's favorite rum. Alright. Oh, they got food too. Alright. Looks like the cheese pizza for Abby. And I'm still trying to figure out. Maybe the lobster corn dog.
And the jam.
It'll be alright.
Yeah.
It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you.
As Abby and I are about to adventure onto Indiana Jones.
Recording it for the first time.
Yep.
Here in your transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures.
Indiana Jones time. Here we go.
Gotta go.
Oh man, the car is about to start any second now. It's kind of dark, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang on tight, kiddo. Hold on to the bar.
This path leads to timeless youth and
Today we had to stop for the Dole Whip float. It's excellent. Oh, I love that. Abby is enjoying some popcorn and a Coke. So we're just hanging out, enjoying everything. Gonna go hit the Jungle Cruise in a minute. Should be pretty cool. And what do we want to do? I don't know. We're gonna play it by ear. Woohoo, Abby! Splash Mountain time.
Inside the law, and be sure to watch your name.
Good idea, Abby. Fantastic. My fireworks show over here. Oh man, it's all going down. And we're still on Splash Mountain. Are you wet?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm wet. Oh, yeah.
what you doing
Topia at night, Abby. Powered by a Honda. Get Tesla in here, son. Get some electric. Got our official Autopia driver's license. Not too shabby. The Autopian adventure begins. My co-pilot. Here we go. Oh, here we go, Abby. You ready? Here we go, Autopia. Coming up on the bridge. Oh, look at the Matterhorn off in the distance. Hello, spaceship man. You're riding with me, Abby. You're not making me ride alone. Aunt Steph can ride alone. She's brave. Space Mountain. So Abby and I stopped over at Pooh Corner, and I am about to try out my very first Tigger Tail. Tigger Tail! Abby, it's got a giant cookie. She's all stoked about it. She bought some like Nemo things too, or Nuemo, or I don't know. It's pretty good. Tastes like a orange creamsicle, or peanut butter, or something. I don't know. Good stuff. So we're about to go freeze our butt off on Splash Mountain at night. That's how Abby rolls, though. As we head off to Tomorrowland, we will be conquering it this night. Starting off with Star Tours and then making our way through as we make our way by Walt in the Central Hub. His followers are always here. Alright, we're about to enter Tomorrowland. Oh, man, I love the Astro Orbiter at night.
Hope you had a wonderful time. See you soon.